So you want to grow broccoli? You brave, beautiful, crunchy dreamer? This isn't just any vegetable. It's basically a tiny tree with abs. It's a vitamin-packed, fiber-flexing powerhouse that's totally misunderstood. Kind of like the weird kid in high school who became a tech millionaire. But here's the catch. Broccoli can be a little high maintenance. If you don't know what you're doing, it will bolt, rot, attract evil worms, and judge you silently from the compost pile. But not on our watch. In this video, I'm going to show you how to grow broccoli like a legend, from seed to side shoot, and avoid the common mistakes that make rookie growers rage quit their gardens. You'll learn when to plant, which variety to grow, how not to drown it, how to banish pests like a plant sorcerer, and how to get bonus broccoli after your first harvest. That's right, broccoli has a sequel. Comment below. Have you ever killed a plant in a spectacular way? We want your fails. The more dramatic, the better. And don't forget, this entire journey is easier with the StrongEcho AI Gardening App. It literally tells you when, where, and how to plant, water, fertilize, and harvest, so you can stop guessing and start growing. Ask the AI buddy anything. Chapter 1. Picking your fighter. Broccoli Variety Showdown. Time to choose your broccoli, because yes, this green beast comes in multiple forms. Calabrese, the OG broccoli, big green head, bold flavor. Named after a region in Italy, so it's probably been in a mafia movie. Sprouting broccoli. Instead of one big head, it gives you lots of smaller ones over time, like the gift that keeps on giving, or a garden that can't shut up. Purple broccoli, flashy, fancy, turns green when cooked, which is low-key magic. It's the Lady Gaga of the broccoli world. App tip. Don't know which one works in your climate? The app does. Just tell it your location and it'll match you with your ideal broccoli soulmate. Chapter 2. The right time to plant. Timing is everything. You want to plant when the weather is cool, like hoodie and hot tea weather, not sweating while standing still. Weather. Spring planting. Start seeds indoors, 6 to 8 weeks before your last frost. Then transplant once the soil's ready. Fall planting. Direct sow in midsummer for a fall harvest. Great for areas with short spring seasons. Hot weather equals broccoli going to flower equals sad, weird-tasting broccoli bouquets. Chapter 3. Starting seeds indoors versus direct sowing. Indoors, more control, fewer pests. Bonus, you get to feel like a mad scientist watching them germinate. Use trays, seed starting mix, a grow light if needed. Talk to them if you're lonely. Direct sow, simpler but riskier. Weather, pests, birds. It's a jungle out there. Works well in early fall when the soil is warm and the weather's chill. Chapter 4. Soil, sun, and broccoli's Diva demands. Broccoli needs a supportive home. No toxic environments, please. Soil pH, 6.0, 6.8. Slightly acidic. Texture, well-draining but moist. Enrichment, compost, compost, compost. Add aged manure for bonus nutrients and a fun smell your neighbors will love. Sunlight, 6 to 8 hours a day. Full sun. Broccoli wants to tan. Chapter 5. Watering and fertilizing. Just the right drama. Water consistently, about 1 to 1.5 inches per week. Overwatering means root rot. Underwatering means bitter, angry broccoli that resents you. Fertilizer tips. Nitrogen heavy in the beginning. Switch to balanced or low nitrogen as heads start forming. Too much equals leafy plant, no broccoli. Chapter 6. Rookie mistakes that ruin broccoli. Planting too close together equals airflow nightmare. Skipping thinning equals Hunger Games for seedlings. Watering from above constantly equals mildew city. Ignoring bugs equals garden apocalypse. Chapter 7. Spacing, thinning, and transplanting. Thin seedlings when they have 2 sets of leaves. Don't get attached. Transplant when they're 4 to 6 weeks old and hardened off. Final spacing, 18 to 24 inches apart. Broccoli needs elbow room to be its best self. Chapter 8. Pests and how to politely tell them to leave. Cabbage worms, cute in theory, destroyers in practice. Aphids, clingier than your ex. Slugs, why is everything always slimy? Companion plants, dill, mint, basil, onions, all confuse or repel pests. Marigolds, each garden bodyguards. Natural sprays, garlic plus water equals vampire repellent for bugs. Chili plus soap equals spicy eviction notice. Neem oil equals safe, effective, smells like plant drama. Chapter 9. Harvesting like a broccoli boss. Harvest when heads are tight and dark green. Use a sharp knife. Cut the main stalk, but leave the rest of the plant. Surprise! Side shoots grow in next. Bonus broccoli. Sequel unlocked. Chapter 10. How to store or freeze. It like a prepper. Fresh, fridge, wrapped loosely in paper towels. Freezing, blanch, dry, freeze flat. Avoid frozen broccoli blob syndrome by pre-portioning. Look at you, from broccoli beginner to garden legend. You've conquered seeds, soil, sunlight, bugs, and your own doubt. You didn't just grow a plant, you grew character. Get the StrongEcho AI Gardening App and let it turn your next garden into a green masterpiece. Because you can grow it. Get the most out of your growing season. Troubleshoot any problem with our AI gardening buddy. Hello, AI buddy. I have 3M2 space left in a shady spot. What can I grow there? Don't include herbs.
Although many vegetables and fruits prefer full sun, there are several types of plants that can tolerate and even thrive in shady spots. Leafy greens, spinach, Swiss chard, and kale don't need as much sunlight as some other vegetables.
Get as specific as you need. Hello, AI buddy. It's June in the Netherlands. I'm going on a trip for 5 days. What are some garden watering tips to keep my plants healthy?
If you're going away for a few days, here are some tips to help ensure your garden stays hydrated. 1. Deep watering. A few days before you leave, give your garden a deep watering. This means watering your plants more than you usually would.
Describe your unique situation and let our AI gardening buddy solve your problems. Hello, AI buddy. I don't have a lot of mulch. What is the best way to get mulch without spending a lot of money?
Many towns and cities offer free or cheap mulch made from recycled leaves or wood chips. Contact your local waste facility or public works department to see if they offer this service. Always remember to ask about the source of the mulch to avoid introducing disease or pests into your garden.
Our AI doesn't just provide answers. It helps you see the bigger picture, highlighting key factors you need to consider for smarter decisions. Try it for free on app.strongecho.com. We all have limited space to grow our crops. We all have just a couple of months in a growing season. Use our AI gardening buddy to get the most out of your garden. You can grow it.